to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, I'm Benji.
Benji, why are you standing in front of the elevator?
I am waiting.
How long?
Maybe forever.
Uh-oh, look at the sign on the door.
It says out of service.
Good reading. Out of service means it is not working. The elevator is out of service.
The elevator is out of service.
The elevator is not working.
The elevator's not working. I understand this problem very well.
Very useful English, but maybe not very happy English.
My legs are already sad.
Let's learn what to say in this situation.
First, I need a help question.
Yes, you can ask this. What should we do?
What should we do?
That means, what is the next action?
Next action is cry.
Maybe no crying. Maybe stairs.
Stairs. The long way.
We need to take the stairs.
We need to take the stairs.
Good. Need to means there is no better choice.
So, it is not my dream. It is the building's plan.
Exactly.
But what if I am not sure? Maybe there is another elevator.
Great question. Ask this. Is there another elevator?
Is there another elevator?
Nice. Another means one more.
One more elevator. Please, building, please.
If you need help, you can ask the front desk.
Front desk?
The front desk is the place where a worker can help you in a building or hotel.
The help desk near the door.
Yes, you can say this. Excuse me, is the elevator working?
Excuse me, is the elevator working?
Very polite and clear.
And if they say no?
Then you can ask the next question. How can I get upstairs?
How can I get upstairs?
Upstairs means to a higher floor.
So downstairs means to a lower floor.
Exactly. Up is higher, down is lower.
My classroom is upstairs.
Good. Now say the floor number.
My classroom is on 5th floor.
Close. More natural. Say this. My classroom is on the 5th floor. The stairs are on the left.
My classroom is on the 5th floor.
Great. We say on the 5th floor.
5th is number 5, but for order?
Yes. 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth, 5 fifth.
5th. My mouth also needs practice.
A little bit. Let's say it slowly. The 5th floor.
The 5th floor.
Good. If you ask another person, use this full question. Which floor do you need?
Which floor do you need?
You can also ask where someone lives, but only in a friendly or normal situation. Which floor do you live on?
Which floor do you live on?
Nice. And your answer can be simple. I live on the 5th floor.
I live on the 5th floor.
For a room, office, or classroom, say it is on the 5th floor. It is on the 5th floor.
It is on the 5th floor. Okay, Lucy. I can say the problem. I can ask for help. I can talk about the floor.
Yes, now let's make it a real conversation.
Wait, 5 floors by stairs?
Yes, we need one honest sentence. I am tired, but I can do it.
I am tired, but I can do it.
Good. Positive, but still true.
Very true.
Let's hear the useful sentences slowly. Everyone listening, just listen first. The elevator is out of service. The elevator is not working. Is there another elevator? Excuse me, is the elevator working? How can I get upstairs? We need to take the stairs. Which floor do you need? My classroom is on the 5th floor. The stairs are on the left. I am tired, but I can do it.
Okay, I can survive this building now.
Yes. Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening. Practice together with us.
The elevator is out of service. The elevator is not working. Is there another elevator? Excuse me, is the elevator working? How can I get upstairs? We need to take the stairs. Which floor do you need? My classroom is on the 5th floor. The stairs are on the left. I am tired, but I can do it.
Good. Now let's hear it in a real building conversation. Oh no, the elevator is out of service.
Really? What should we do?
Let's ask the front desk.
Excuse me, is the elevator working?
No, sorry. Please take the stairs.
Okay. How can I get upstairs?
The stairs are on the left.
Thank you. My classroom is on the 5th floor.
Then we need to take the stairs.
I am tired, but I can do it.
Today we learned simple English for a broken elevator.
I can read the sign, ask for help, and talk about the floor.
Exactly. Simple English, but it helps you move through the day.
And it helps my legs move through the building.
Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. Which floor do you usually need to go to? The 2nd floor, the 5th floor, the 10th floor?
Write one simple sentence in the comments. For example, I need to go to the 5th floor.
We would love to read it and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.